It is a very, very beautiful day here in Turkey, right in the land of Mamaros. It's a very beautiful day, and today, guys, I'm going to be going to the water park. There is a water park, and it's going to take a little while to walk there, guys, so I'm just here walking along and looking for the route now, guys, so it's just about to find it. And also I'm here with D-Mac as well, you know. Yeah, yes, D-Mac is
right here.
Yes, so D-Mac is going to be coming with me as well, you know, so we're going to the waterfalls, you know. Yeah. Yes, so it's in the water park, yeah.
This one is very hot though.
Yes, it's very, very hot, you know, so yeah, hot. So yes, guys, so we're walking along now, and I will see you guys when we get to the water park. Wow, look at the view. The view is very nice. And look down there, guys. That's why the hill was so steep. So we're still on our way to the water park, guys. Yeah. Yes, we are walking here, guys. So I just checked. I checked here on my map, and it said that we got 7 minutes here. So we're walking, guys, you know. So that's it here. Yeah, it's a very hot sunshine here. Yeah, but it's really, really, really hot, guys. It's nearly 40 degrees right now. But I'm loving this country though. This country is really nice, you know. I just can't wait to get to this waterfall. I really can't wait. It's really nice. And look over there as well. This is very nice. Very, very hot. Look back there, guys, you know. We've been walking for a long time, but geez, I'm actually feeling really, really hot. I'm baking here, man. And right here as well, guys, you have to be careful. We don't walk too close to here because it's very steepy down there. And we're coming up to another view as well, guys. Got another view to share with you guys. Oh my God, look at this view, my brother. Look at this view. Mud, man, look at that. Wow, look at that. That's the real Turkey. Oh, Mamaros is a very beautiful place, man. It's beautiful. Nice. Yes.
In the hot sun here.
In the hot sun, man, still treading along, you know. Yeah. Wow. See, you know, guys, we're the only one. We're the only one walking on this road because it's so hot. We are literally the only one walking to the water park. We are 6 minutes away now. Yeah, no one don't walk, guys, because it's so hot. Look at me sweating. Oh my God, so tired as well. I'm literally, you know, this hot weather drained me out, but I like hot weather, guys. This is what I love. This is what I come here for, hot weather, and to show you guys around. But you know, it's very important, guys, you know, to share the video. To share the video, guys. Keep sharing it around, man. There's people driving in van, driving in car, riding on motorbikes.
Right here.
Yeah.
It's not far.
It's not that far now, it's just near to it. We have just arrived at the water park, and the time is there, guys. You have the time here. It's 24 hours, 24-hour water park, but there's nobody here. Oh, there's one lady out there. I don't know, guys. Oh, it's upstairs. Okay, to the water park. Okay, it's upstairs, eh? Okay. It says upstairs, guys, you know, so let's go upstairs and see. Yeah. See? Entry. That's the entry there, guys. The entry to the water park. Yes, going up the stairs. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Yes, guys, so we're in the locker room now, and we've got the shower rooms over there. Yeah, so we're just getting changed to go into the water.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, the changing room.
Yeah, yeah.
When are we out?
Alright, I gotta check for a moment. I just check in. Okay, we can get change here. 83.
83?
83, yeah.
83.
80 back there. Yeah. Yeah, keep going. They're back there. Yeah, I think we passed it. As we went down. Uh-huh.
83.
Yeah, it was a lock at 83. I think we passed it coming in.
83, 87.
83 is here. Here it is. This is it, yeah. That's what it passed here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this will work then. Yes. Okay, good. Yes, guys. Yes, I'm just walking up the stairs and hope you guys are still enjoying the water park. Yes, I'm talking right here, guys, because there is copyright music in the background. So I'm right here with D-Mac, guys. Up the stairs we go, and we are enjoying the water park. The water park is really, really nice, guys. You know, there's so many people are in the water park. They're sliding off, enjoying the moments of the time. And I'm trying not to get too many kids in here. So this is a place, guys, where you can take your kids along this water park. Not only kids, but also adults can come and enjoy themselves the same as just how the kids would enjoy themselves. So enjoy the moments, guys. Yes, guys. Yeah, I'm loving this water park. So this is the water slide where lots of people go, guys, you know. Yes, so just walking up the steps, you know, some long steps going up, you know. Yes, to get to the slide. So that's a slide over here. Views already looking nice from up here, guys. Wow. Got one more steps to go. Wow. Oh.
That is mud over there. Huh? It's fun.
Wow.
Real fast. You're going there now? Hey!
I bring me the chosen and one. Big Jeffrey. Third. Now play. I got some fresh air to bring to the table today. Now this play right here, he's different. He don't drive a Cadillac.
I hope you guys are enjoying the water park, man. It's so exciting here, man. Very exciting this water park. Oh, the police officer is going to give us a lift. Oh, all right. Oh, let's go. Wow, that's very nice. Oh, we're lucky. We're lucky day.
Yes, you are very tall. Come on. No,
It's okay.
it's okay. Okay.
Yes. Wow, we're getting a ride. Wow,
Yes.
it's nice. You know? Yes,
Is it near
man.
here? Huh? You want it near here? Yes, near
Yeah,
here.
it's very near. Yeah. Yeah. It's not that far from here. Yes, man. The hotel over there is nice, very nice view. No?
Look at the park there. You see it?
Very nice, man. Very, very nice. I love this slide, man, you know? Very, very nice, you know? Very good. See you later, buddy. Yeah? Where's that? Yeah. Okay, buddy. Thank you so much, buddy, man. I appreciate it.
All right, take care, yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah, only one? Two. One girl, one, right?
Oh, that's a gift.
Oh, okay.
That's a big gift. That's a gift, you know? Yeah.
All my sons are all growing. Yeah, I'm an old man now. All right, take care, yeah?
Take care, buddy. Yeah. Thank you, man. God bless you. Thank you, man. There you go. Yes.
Sadece tek pas var. Şu maçları
Okay, so we need to go inside now. How did we come inside now? There. Okay. This one. Cheers, buddy. There's all these water pipes.
This man is their boss.
Oh,
Boss manager.
oh, he's the manager there.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Süleyman abi. Süleyman abi. Bak bunlar YouTuber. YouTuber bunlar, YouTuber. 5 milyon takipçisi var.
That guy is a police officer, guys. Yeah, I can't believe he's a police officer here in Turkey. And the big boss. Hello, big boss. You're right.
Okay, here's boss.
Yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, I'll be back.
Yarına geleceklermiş. Hadi görüşürüz.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
We just stay 15 minutes from here.
Yeah, 15 minutes.
Yes. So we walk. Which hotel?
Yes, guys. There's a police officer here in Turkey. I mean, I seems to be lucky when I travel around the world. There seems to be police in it. I don't know why. But anyway, I got his contact details, guys. So I'll be contacting him, and he can take me around in Turkey. I'll say next time.
Right?
Yes, it's never out. So look at that now, guys. So yeah, so finally the water park is now closed, guys. But thank you so much, guys. This is where I wrap it up for the evening here in Waterpark here in Mamaros. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss a video. You'll be the first to be notified when I put a video up. Thank you so much, guys. And don't forget to go and check out the Mach 4K World Tour. As it appeared also on the screen, his link is down into the description. Thank you so much, guys. And I'm signing out from Mamaros here in Turkey at the water park.